Yeah, I'm going downhill now. We're coming to another roundabout. We're going to follow the road ahead. That means you're taking the second exit, going straight ahead. Or they might say, go ahead at the roundabout. That also means the second exit. Or they might say, cross the roundabout and take the second exit. Cross, ahead, follow the road ahead means basically straight. So I'm checking on the right hand side. If you can see the black line in front of me, I'm going to be sitting on that black line, which is going to help me position my car to the left. So it's safe for me to go. I'm literally sitting on the black line now, following it round. I can see the white car sticking out, so I'm moving slightly out, checking my mirrors, signaling left, and just slowing down here. And watch your speed when you come to the car in front there. You've got to be aware of what's happening in front of you. And I'm off my signal and I've checked my mirrors.